Hey guys, this is Candy of the Yardie Belly Kitchen on Yardie Belly TV, and today I'm excited to make a cornbread casserole for you guys. You guys are going to absolutely love this one. So yeah, let's get into the ingredients. First of all, we're using 2 eggs and we're using 8 ounces of sour cream, 1 stick of butter. We're using 1 package of the Jiffy corn muffin mix, 1 can of cream style sweet corn, and then a can of the whole kernel corn. Yeah, so let's get baking. I'm adding the 2 eggs first of all to my dish so that we can make sure we whisk that properly. Yes, first step we're doing is whisking that before we add the other ingredients. All right. So now we're going in with our sour cream, adding the sour cream to the egg. Then we're going to go in with the cream style corn. Yes. Then the whole corn. Yes. The whole can of corn. Yeah. Now we're adding the melted butter. I went ahead and melted it in the microwave. And now we're adding the package of Jiffy. All right. And in addition to that, the only other thing I'm adding by way of dry ingredients is a half teaspoon of salt. Yes, so let's go ahead now and we whisk everything together to make sure that all the ingredients are properly merged together and that the lumps get dissolved and all that nice stuff. Yes, final thing I'm going to be doing is, after making sure that I blend it, is adding a little bit of vanilla extract, just about a drop or two, not too much. Yes, you guys can go ahead and spice up yours to taste, but this is all I used. All right, so now we are going to be pouring our ingredients, the batter, into a ceramic baking dish. Yes, just pouring that out. And I'm going to be baking it for 40 minutes at 350 degrees in my toaster oven. Yes. And voila, guys, look at how nice it turned out. This is a perfect golden brown. You can see the healthy glisten and the glow on top. You can already tell that it's going to be nice and soft. All right, so the proof is in the tasting. So we're gonna go ahead, yes, and just start to do the sharing portion, the sharing process, cutting a nice healthy slice of our corn casserole and just plating it. Yeah, and that is how it turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching Yardie Belly TV. Stay tuned for more.